Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a great day out there. I have today the QVC Tili box, which is Try It, Love It. And what they have done is they have gone to their subscription box being monthly now, and it is $25 a month, free shipping and handling. And each month they're doing it with a different collaboration of a YouTuber or a blogger. And this month's is Sunsets and Stilettos. I can't wait to see what this one is. I have taken it out of the big brown box that it comes in, but I have not opened this box, which is another one of those really firm, awesome boxes. And it's so pretty. And I like how they did it as a sunset since they're doing it with sunsets and stilettos. It's just the extra touches. And when we open it, we have, like we always do with QVC, just a big wad, basically, of tissue paper to protect everything that's inside. And you dig through it. And that is what we have. And like I do every month, I can tell you something in here smells fantastic. I can't wait to see what it was. Laying on top of this box, I had this piece of paper that is in theory going to tell us about everything that's in here. So let's see what we've got. I don't know what's in here this month because now, since they've gone to a subscription box, I didn't have to go in and purchase it, so I didn't have to go to the website at all. So I don't know what is in here. And so I don't have prices for you to tell you, but what I will do is I will put it down below as I talk about it, what the full-size price was and the value of what we received. So let's just jump right in. First, I have, this is unusual, 8 greens is what it says. It is a pouch, and it feels like maybe there's pills inside. Let's see what the paperwork says. Let's find it on the paperwork. 8 greens effervescent drink tablet. Interesting. Yeah, there's 1 tablet in here. Just drop, fizz, and sip. 8 Greens Effervescent drink tablets are a great alternative for those with a busy lifestyle. Contains organic wheatgrass powder, organic kale, organic blue-green algae, organic spirulina, organic chlorella, organic barley grass, and organic aloe vera. Dissolve 1 tablet in 8 ounces of water. No. No, I will not, and they cannot make me. That's fine. I will set it aside and maybe somebody else will enjoy that. Okay, let's get in here. Next, I have, oh yay, a 2 fluid ounce Purity Made Simple, and it is the cleanser. And before I started getting all of these boxes and having so many cleansers to choose from, this was my go-to cleanser. I mean, I probably went through between 5 and 10 of the 16 ounce bottles, and then eventually I went to the 32 ounce pump bottles. It's just really basic. It gets you clean, it gets your makeup off. They say that it also tones you, gets you back to a pH. I just love it. Let's see what this says. Philosophy knows that when a cleanser is well formulated, there is no reason for a second step called toning. Purity Made Simple is a 4-in-1 makeup remover, cleanser, toner, and light hydrator. I never found that I could go without moisture. In one easy step, Purity Made Simple is a Philosophy bestseller and must-have for anyone. I will absolutely tuck this away. It's nice and sealed, and someday I will be super happy that I have it. That is fantastic. Next, I have Super Smile Professional Extra Whitening System, 2 tubes. Okay, well, toothpaste apparently. I could always use whiter teeth. I am one of those people that doesn't have super white teeth. I Sonicare, I use whitening toothpaste, I get my teeth whitened. I just don't, it's from the core. I just don't have super white teeth, and it's very disappointing. This said, maybe this will make the difference. This says, use the extra white toothpaste and accelerator formulas together for teeth whitening and complete oral care. These formulas are made with Calprox, a proprietary whitening ingredient. Use a pearl-sized drop of both the toothpaste and the accelerator together on a dry toothbrush. Interesting. All right, and we have 0.21 ounces from each tube. And this is what the tubes look like. This is a great way to try something like this. I mean, I don't know how quickly you can know if something is actually making your teeth whiter, but this is a nice way to try it. And I will try anything that might whiten my teeth. Let's see what's next. I have the Elemis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. I'm going to have to ask Julie at Julie Unboxings if she has tried this and what she thinks. I have had both ends of the spectrum luck with Elemis. I used their Pro Collagen Marine moisturizer until it was gone, and then I have 2 samples of it to use, and I love it. I used a Peptide 4 mask, and my face did not love it. So this is what that looks like, and it's a good size. It is 0.3 fluid ounces, and this says, Elemis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil is a nighttime cream oil that leaves skin feeling nourished. It's formulated with Mathiola oil, an oil containing omega-3 alpha-linolenic acid to help improve the appearance of skin softness and to help hydrate skin to promote a youthful looking appearance. Well, I will for sure give this a try. Let's see what's next. I have Carmody Beauty Intuit Eyeliner. And this is what the box looks like. I don't know anything at all about this brand. I watch QVC and I don't even know about this brand. This is what the eyeliner looks like. It's a nice gold color. It's very pretty. Let's see what this says. Carmody Intuit Eyeliner is a velvet eye pencil that glides on easily to define and line eyes. It never tugs or pulls and provides definition that stays put. Well, let's see what this looks like. It looks like we just have black espresso, so it might be brownish. Oh, and it's just that kind, the kind that you crank up. I am not going to use this yet, just in case I want to pass it along, because in the last couple boxes, if you've watched me open them, I have opened some Hank and Henry's. I have a blue and I have a couple of blacks. I am having great luck with eyeliners, and I don't know that I will use that for a while, or I might want to pass it on. So this is NuFace Prep and Glow Dual-Sided Cleansing Cloths. That's interesting. NuFace is usually a tool that they sell on QVC. I did not know they did things other than the tool. This says, NuFace Prep and Go Cleansing Cloths are a great way for cleansing and exfoliating. Ideal for beauty seekers on the go, these dual-sided cloths remove makeup and impurities and provide gentle exfoliation. It's the ideal prep for your new face treatment, which is not included, obviously, because it's like a $300 machine. Let's see what these look like. We have several of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, so that's kind of fun. I'll give you a good way to try it. This is what the pouches look like. I will absolutely try that. That is fun. I mean, that is 5 of them. That's a nice box of goodies. All right, I think last, nope, not last, I have a little Too Faced Better Than Sex. That's cute. I'm not going to open this because I have a million going and I might want to pass this on too. I say that a lot, right? I might want to pass this on. Okay, let's see what this says. Better Than Sex Mascara from Too Faced features an hourglass-shaped brush that separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. The long-wearing formula features a film-forming polymer and other key ingredients that help nourish, thicken, and lengthen the appearance of lashes and help lock curl in place for extreme volume and dramatic-looking lashes. All right. And last but not least, now I have a Mally Evercolor Poreless Face Defender, and it's 0.46 ounces, but this box is huge. It looks like it could be a full size. I don't know about that. Let's see what we know. Not sure what's in there. And then, oh yeah, I would say this is definitely a full-size compact of something. That is really cool looking. If I can get it open, I'll show it to you. Ooh. And that is what it looks like. It's kind of pink, but I don't know if it'll come across on the camera, but it's kind of, you can see through it. It's pink probably because what is underneath is pink. It looks like it might be clear. What's in our little pouch? Oh, a great big wedge, like a foam wedge. It doesn't feel like a beauty blender. It's denser than that. It's tighter than that. let us see what this says about this. Mally Face Defender with sponge keeps makeup looking fresh. This utterly sheer, super lightweight formula instantly diffuses the look of imperfections for a soft focus effect. Skin looks and feels smooth and flawless. Tap sponge into product, never swipe or rub. Pat gently on your face without swiping or rubbing. Use the rounded corners of the sponge to get into all the hard to reach places. Interesting. So it's just to blur after you've put your makeup on. I have never tried that. Well, let's do it and see if it does anything. So I'm just going to tap, 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 like it said, because it seemed very adamant about that. Doesn't look like much is coming up, but maybe that's the point. What can we blur? Maybe, can we blur this? Nope. Maybe? Let's try a little more of that. I don't know if you can see now versus before, but I really feel like those lines on my forehead have diminished. Let's try, right here, I have a one little 11 line. Let's see if it does anything with that. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Crackers and cheese. I don't know if you guys can tell there, but I can tell here. It absolutely diminished the look of that line. I'll just wander around with this like, no, I'm fine. How are you today? Oh, yeah, no, I'm good. All right. Of course, now there's a little bit of my makeup color on here, so this is going to need a lot of washing. So here's hoping this holds up. Okay, that is it for this month's September Tili box. Try it, love it, with Sunsets and Stilettos collaboration. So we received a Purity face wash, a full-sized Carmody eyeliner, this Effervescent Greens tablet, the Elemis Peptide 4 Night Cream Oil, a Little Better Than Sex, how cute is that? The toothpaste to make your teeth whiter, which is never a bad thing, and that nice Mally that we just opened. Oh, and these NuFace pouches that we got 5 of for cleansing and exfoliating. I feel like I'm playing poker. Or go fish. Got any twos? I might have made one video too many today. I'm just guessing. Thank you guys so much for coming by. So if you have any interest in this box, you just can go to the QVC site, type in Tili, it'll let you sign up for the subscription. I will try and put a link below to the QVC site for you, and we'll hope that works. But if not, you just go to QVC, type Tili, and you can sign up for the box. I hope the rest of your day is fantastic. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys really soon with more boxes. Bye.